If 8 hours of sleep fixed everything, you'd never wake up tired. The truth is, sleep isn't one thing. It comes in types, and each one does a completely different job. Sleep runs in cycles, about 90 minutes each, repeating 4 to 6 times a night. And inside every cycle, your brain climbs through 4 stages, like levels in a game. Stage 1. Light sleep. You're just drifting off. Muscles relax, breathing steadies, and you'd wake at the smallest sound. This is where you sometimes feel yourself falling and jerk awake. That's a hypnic jerk, possibly a leftover reflex from when our ancestors slept in trees. Stage 2. Now you're truly asleep, and this is half your entire night. Your heart slows, your temperature drops, and your brain fires little bursts that lock in memories. It also works like a gatekeeper, blocking out traffic, but waking you the instant it hears your name. Stage 3. Deep sleep. This is the "I was completely out" stage. Your brain waves slow to a crawl, and your body goes into full repair. It releases growth hormone, powers up your immune system, and flushes waste out of your brain like a nightly cleaning crew. Miss it, and you don't just feel tired, you feel drained. Then your brain flips the lights back on. REM sleep. This is where dreams turn vivid. Your brain becomes almost as active as when you're awake, but your body is paralyzed so you can't act them out. REM is when you process emotions, cement memories, and solve problems. It's why we say sleep on it. And here's the key. Deep sleep rules the first half of the night, repairing your body. REM rules the second half, organizing your mind. So cut your sleep short in the morning, and you don't lose rest, you lose REM. You wake up rested, but mentally off. Even naps follow these rules. A 10 to 20-minute power nap keeps you in the light stages and sharpens focus. Go longer, and you sink into deep sleep and wake up groggy. There's even the caffeine nap. Drink coffee, nap 20 minutes, and wake up just as it kicks in. So sleep was never empty time. Every night your brain repairs your body, cleans itself, and rewires your mind 4, 5, 6 times over. The real mystery isn't what happens when you close your eyes. It's what happens when you don't.